Seen how Pakistan makes bike fenders? They use thick materials and great skill. New 0.3mm steel sheets are quickly turned into parts by a father and son in a small shop. The steel coil, bought at a high price, is used for fenders today. The master believes raising standards will reduce competition, so high-quality products at low prices have made him the richest in the village. After fixing the steel coil, they remove the lock card. The steel sheet fits perfectly, so no cutting is needed, and it's installed on the roller. The shaping machine uses rollers and grooves to form the steel sheet into fenders. The master checks the output to ensure quality, as poor equipment can affect shaping. The workshop's layout ensures smooth feeding. Once enough steel sheets are shaped, they are cut to size using a hydraulic cutter, making the process simple and efficient. The cut steel sheets have the fender shape. To ensure a natural curve, a smaller shaping machine is used for precision. The fenders are fixed to bikes with screws, so holes are made using a punching machine. To prevent cracking, a cross brace is installed at the screw holes. After welding the brace, they are moved to the spray booth. The master cleans the surface before spraying. A primer is applied to prevent rust and improve paint adhesion. Once dry, the top coat is applied. Pakistanis love bright red, so the fenders are painted with Parrot brand red paint and left to dry.
After drying for 24 hours, they are simply packaged and ready for shipment. The mass production of bicycle fenders is complete.
What do you think of their quality?